Hello and welcome back to this Ruby programming course. In today's video, we are going to understand about the ranges in Ruby. And range represents a set of values. You can also convert them into array to make it a meaningful code. So ranges represents a set of values which have some beginning or end value. And start value can be integer or float or anything, or you can also make it a character of A, B, C, D. And ranges can be constructed using this syntax or using range.new method. Range is a class in Ruby and you can use .new method. You can use new method and in these two ways. So you can create, usually we create ranges from this syntax. So if you use two dots between the start value and the end value, then end value is included in the range. And if you use three dots, then end value is not included in the range. The end value will be end value minus one value. Okay, so if you use a dot dot z, then the output you will be getting is from A to Z. And if you use three dots in between, you will only receive, you will only get from A to Y. Okay, so let's see in the Sublime that how ranges works. Okay, so I will create a range and assign it to A. I will be creating a range from 1 to 12. Let's see what is the output we get. So we got the range which is from 1 to 12. To see how it looks, we have to convert it into array. With dot a, with dot 2a, you can convert it into array. So now you can see you will be getting the array from 1 to 12. And if I use three dots in between, I will only get the values from 1 to 11. Okay, so let's try another syntax. Let's try another syntax. The next syntax is using range.new method, and I want the range from 1 to 12. And if I want to exclude the end value, then I will give exclude end parameter. If I give true, the end will be excluded. So 12 will be excluded. As you can see, we got from 1 to 11 only, and the 12 is excluded. And if I give here false, the end value will not be excluded. So the range I will be getting is from 1 to 12. Okay, and there is something new in Ruby 3 about the ranges. So let's suppose I have a array A which consists of value from 1 to 12. Now I want to print the values from 3 to 12. So we have a concept of beginless and endless range. The syntax of the index of 3 is 0, 1, 2. So as you can see, if I write 2 and 2 dots, that means that this is the endless range. Then this is the endless syntax, and I will be getting from 3 to 12. As I have not mentioned the end value, so I will be getting the full array from the index which I mentioned here. And for the beginless range, if I give two dots and then 8 dot length minus 1, so this will be the index. The last index will be the length of a minus 1 will be the last index, right? So let's see what I get. We are getting from start to end, and if I want to print only till 11, from 1 to 11, then I will do something like this. So it is printed from 1 to 11. Let's understand more about ranges in the next video.